Guys, you can join my server and you can get free stuff. This is how. I'm gonna be spawning new stuff. How 2 days. If I go on it. Well, but the admin reviews is coming tomorrow. Morgen komt admin reviews. And dit had ik eerder deze. I'll also tell you about Jan. Well, the kids. Still, I have the owner kids. And this is all stuff with this one. But also flame flags. Why flame? This kids are kids. Yeah. And you can, but don't kill naked because should I say, because the rules are no killing, no hacking, you will be banned. You can kill, but no naked killing. If the naked player attacks you, then you can kill him. But only one time. And if I see someone hack, then it's over. You're just getting banned. I know there's so true. Join the server. Yeah, guys, so on which server it is and where you can find my server. This is where you need to be on. Is open up Minecraft, a higher version, including in this one or this one, or just normal Minecraft. Then you're on Minecraft. Then you do especially with this, but this is this Apollo PHP God minehearts.ggs. This is the IP. And I should do done. Then click join. Then you should be in the server. And then you can choose find a server. Then you can look up and then find all servers. And you can also do slash server. You see that, and if you play the server, you can check. But what you can also do is join, and then I server name. And if you do monster, you know, if you do a name, if you do a name, that is a account, so I don't know if you learn. Then you do if you join, and then it's the same. But now if you do this IP. This is your IP. And you click up join. You join. Now you wait a little bit. right click, and then now you're in the server. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, no, not confusing. Well, I could just jump back. Oh, I can't. Bye bye, guys.